ಹಲೋ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 5,0 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆರಿಜಿನ್. This is the problem based on distance formula. See, by using distance formula we are going to find the distance between any two points. See, before going to the video, if you are not subscribed my channel till now means please subscribe and like, share my videos and support. So let us get into the video. Find the distance of the point 5,0 from the origin. See, there is a here we have to find the distance between the point. Suppose if we take A of 5,0 and the origin. Now see, we know origin is denoted by letter O and its coordinates are 0, 0. Now we have to find the distance OA. Now OA find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore here we know the distance of two points with coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See, that is equal to, see here consider this origin as the coordinates of the origin as x1 y1 and the coordinates of the point A as x2 y2. Therefore this is given by, here it is OA. The distance OA can be given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That means x2 is 5, x1 is 0, 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Y2 is 0 and y1 is 0, 0 minus 0 whole square. Therefore that is given by square root of 5 minus 0 is 5, 5 square plus 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 square. Now this can be simplified as square root of, see, 5 square is 25 plus 0 square is 0. Now that is equal to square root of 25 plus 0 is 25. Therefore square root of 25 is 5. Therefore the distance OA is 5 units. See, this distance is given by 5 units. See, observe, distance should be always positive. Whenever we say the distance, we should say in positive quantity only. See, because see, observe the distance formula. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here see, the quantity under square root must not be equal to negative quantity. If it is negative quantity, square root of a negative number is not going to valid. Therefore square root of a negative number is not defined. Therefore this number, see, therefore this should be always positive. Therefore distance should be always positive. Thank you.